Hey, in this episode of Daily Dynamo, I'll be telling you how you can confront your future, how you can handle anything in life and get what you want, achieve the success you want. How do you do that? In this episode, you will have the answer. Stay tuned. How to help others using your knowledge, skills, and expertise and build a profitable online business. At the same time, overcome daily challenges of self-doubt and procrastination while maintaining relationships and good health. I'm Chinmai Swamy and welcome to Daily Dynamo for short and powerful episodes with proven strategies and systems to boost your confidence, increase your sales, and get virtual clients. Hey, this is Chinmai Swamy. Welcome to another episode of Daily Dynamo. In this episode, I want to talk about how you can create the life you want, confront anything which comes in your way. How do you get that certainty? How do you get things done? Like, that's it, because you are happiest when you get things done, when you accomplish your goals, when you cross a tick around the goals you have set for the month. You're the happiest, you feel great. So how do you get there? Well, here's the trick. What you do is, when you take a list of or make a list of all the things you have always wanted to achieve and you have been postponing it or getting distracted with something else more important, and it's running in the back of your mind, reminding you that, hey, you still haven't completed. Hey, you have to finish this soon. Hey, complete this and your life will change. You're getting these voices back in your head, and there are these tasks. So first thing, write down. Make a list of all of them. These are your open cycles. Your open cycle. That's right, because these cycles are open. You haven't completed them. So you've started them and you've left halfway through and you've got onto something more important. It was at that point you felt was more important than completing this. That's okay. Write down these steps. Write down all the tasks, all the goals, all the projects, everything which is in your mind, write it down. Now that is your open cycle list. Now this you need to keep working out one by one. Okay, so what's the reason why you need to do that? Is the reason you write there is that you're not willing to confront them. If you were willing to confront, you would have completed those tasks. Something in each of those tasks you didn't like, you didn't agree with, you didn't agree with the enthusiasm you started the task with. As you started the task, the project or the project or task or any action you started, you were fully enthusiasm, you were convinced you will complete it, you knew that this will help you, you had that certainty. But somewhere along the way, whilst you were doing, you thought this was a bad idea. You looked for faults, you looked for imperfections, you looked for what was wrong in the task you're doing. And when you found it, you were looking for it, so you found it. And you found it and you thought this is, and once you found something bad, something you need to improve, something that you thought was not right anymore, then you abandoned the whole project. It didn't happen over time, but you started the process of abandoning the whole task because you thought, if I can find something wrong, then we need to revisit the whole thing. We need to take a look at it from a new approach. Let's redesign, let's redevelop, let's reapproach, let's replan. You worked on that, and then it became a task which was small, became a big project, and you just let it go. And that's what happens to all the open cycles you have. So how do you overcome them? So step one, you have already done that, is to write down the open cycles. That is one. Step two is, for each one of those open cycles, find something good in it. Something good right now. A reason why you wanted to complete it. Something good in it, like admire the task. Something beautiful. Not with a reason, saying that if I do the task, something else will happen. Just admire something good about that task. Half done task, half completed project, something good. Admire something about it. And that's one. So you do that. So what happens if you can't admire? Then it's okay. Then look at the task, confront it, and decide whether you want to eliminate it. If you want to eliminate it, it has to be eliminated. If you eliminate it, that means it's out of your mind as well. It's not draining your power. So it's out of your mind. You're no longer pursuing that course of action. That project is no longer important. That's what is meant by eliminate. If you can't do that, if it still persists, then you haven't found its task is still important, the cycle is still open. You have to go back to the step 2 of finding something beautiful, something good, something you want to admire about that task. Find it, and then you will complete the task, and go one by one and cross each one of your list, and you will have the life you want, because every one of those tasks came to you. You created those tasks. You had the idea of those tasks. It's because you knew with certainty that it will help you to build the future you want, help you to achieve the goal you so desire, and you stopped halfway through. Let's get back on the track. Let's go and achieve what you always wanted to. That's how you do it. Thank you for listening to another episode of Daily Dynamo. I'll see you in the next one. Hey, this is Chinmai Swamy, your host at Daily Dynamo. Be sure to follow and subscribe for new and energetic episodes. If you liked today's episode, please join the next live training, Virtual Sales Mastermind, where you will learn how to sell your advice online and get virtual clients. It's absolutely free. Simply go to virtualsalesmastermind.com to register for the free live training. See you in the next episode. Bye.